We don't have a history of sound for electric cars. So how do you conceive a new sound world? I am responsible for designing the sound of electric cars at BMW. The answer for me was to start with abstract spaces from which you can derive sound textures. I keep thinking how the soundscape will change it. We want to create a sonic world that brings elegance in the street. I feel the responsibility, but I also feel the privilege. The sounds that I compose will be the memory for the kids of their father coming home.